Imagine if BMW decided to remove all limits and build the ultimate M car, not just fast, not just luxurious, but absolutely extreme. That's exactly the feeling you get when you look at the 2026 BMW M9 from the very first glance. This car feels like a statement, a flagship that sits above everything else in the M lineup. It's designed to shock, impress, and dominate. Let's start with the design, because the BMW M9 doesn't try to be subtle. The front end is wide, low, and aggressive, with a massive reinterpretation of BMW's signature kidney grille, now more sculpted and performance-focused than ever. Slim, laser-LED headlights give it a sharp, futuristic stare, while deep air intakes feed cooling to the engine and brakes. Every line on the hood is functional, guiding airflow and hinting at the power hidden underneath. Move to the side, and the M9's proportions really stand out. It's long, muscular, and planted with wide fenders that make the car look ready to pounce, even when standing still. Large, lightweight alloy wheels wrap around massive performance tires, and behind them, you can see oversized carbon ceramic brakes. The roof and side mirrors use carbon fiber to reduce weight and lower the center of gravity. A detail enthusiast will instantly appreciate that. The rear, the BMW M9 goes full supercar mode. A large carbon fiber diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and an active rear spoiler work together to improve aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. The taillights are slim and modern, giving the car a high-tech look while still feeling aggressive and purposeful. Step inside, and the M9 instantly blends luxury with motorsport DNA. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, with ambient lighting that can shift from elegant to race-inspired at the press of a button. The M-specific bucket seats hug you tightly, offering comfort for daily driving and serious support for aggressive cornering. The steering wheel feels thick and sporty, with M buttons that allow you to instantly switch between different performance modes. The digital instrument cluster and large, curved infotainment display provide all the information you need, from navigation and entertainment to real-time performance data like boost pressure, G-forces, and lap times. Despite all the tech, everything is laid out in a way that feels intuitive, even for someone who isn't a hardcore car enthusiast. Now, let's talk about what truly defines the BMW M9 performance. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M9 is expected to feature a high-performance twin-turbocharged V8, possibly combined with an advanced hybrid system. This setup could push total output well beyond 700 horsepower, delivering brutal acceleration while still meeting modern efficiency and emission standards. Press the accelerator and the response is instant, with the car launching forward in a way that pins you to your seat. Power is sent to all four wheels through BMW's latest MX drive system, ensuring maximum traction in all conditions, whether you're driving on a smooth highway, a twisty mountain road, or even a wet surface. The M9 stays composed and confident. The adaptive suspension constantly adjusts itself, offering a comfortable ride in daily use and razor-sharp handling when you switch to sport or track modes. In simple terms, this is a car that can behave like a luxury Grand Tour one moment and a track weapon the next. The steering is precise and direct, giving you a strong connection to the road, while the chassis feels incredibly balanced for a car of this size and power. One of the biggest unique selling points of the BMW M9 is how it sits between worlds. It delivers supercar-level performance while still offering 4 seats, cool usable space, and the comfort expected from a top-tier BMW. It's designed for drivers who want extreme power without sacrificing refinement or daily usability. Safety and driver assistance systems are also fully loaded with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision avoidance, and high-speed stability systems, making the M9 not just fast, but smart and secure as well. So, who is this 2026 BMW M9 really for? It's for the person who wants the absolute best BMW has to offer. A car that represents the peak of M performance, luxury, and technology. It's not just about speed or looks, it's about owning something that feels special every single time you drive it. In the end, the BMW M9 isn't just another performance car. It's a bold vision of what a modern M flagship could be. Powerful, luxurious, aggressive, and unforgettable. Hey, if BMW ever decides to officially bring the M9 to life, it could very well redefine what a high-performance luxury sedan or coupe can be.